Here I have VIVO T2 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enter Fastboot mode on this device. So firstly, you should turn your device off by holding down power key, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination power key plus volume up at the same time like this. And after that you will end up in the Fastboot mode. So here at this mode you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have such options as reboot and recovery mode. So basically you can only proceed to recovery mode from here or just restart your device. So let's just restart it, and it will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.